Hello everyone, I'm Nicole. How many of you have seen the slide? So crowded with text that you didn't even know where to start reading. I believe most of us have this experience. That's why I call the death of PowerPoint. But it doesn't have to be that way, but we have to prepare presentation also. So today, I would like to share with you 5 simple rules that can save any presentations. Here's what we'll cover. One message per slide, working memories, size, contrast, and the last one, object. Okay, the first one. One message per slide. Think about it. When you pass a billboard on a highway, how many messages can you read in 3 seconds? 1, maybe 2. But if someone tried to put down 5 different messages on the same billboard, you cannot remember any of them. Slides are just the same. If you load them with 3 or 4 key points, then people will don't know what to focus on. But if each slide only contains 1 clear key point, then they'll get it instantly. So from now on, try to keep 1 message only per slide. You can help your audience follow your step easily. The second one is working memories. In presentation, there's something called the redundancy effect. It happens when you put your text on your slide and you say the same thing out loud at the same time. The result? Our brains end up working twice as hard, trying to process the same information by 2 different ways. The audience will need the best, not more. So how can we solve that? If your slide already explains your idea clearly, then don't just read word for word. Let your words add values, don't just repeat what's already on screen. The third one is the size. Size equals importance. If everything is in the same size, then nothing stands out. But when one number, one word, one image is larger than the rest, then people will know that's what they need to focus on. However, almost everyone let the headline the biggest part on one slide. But I believe the truest matter is the content, not the headline. So why do people always fill a PowerPoint where the audience will spend 70% of their time on the headline, which is not the most important part? So next time when you prepare a presentation, shrinking the size of the headline can be a good choice. Number 4 is the contrast. Humans' eyes draw to contrast, bright against dark, bold against thin. Without contrast, everything feels boring, flat, and people will lose their attention easily. But with contrast, you can guide your audience eyes to where you want them to go. For example, if I highlight one word in brighter color and the rest are gray, then everyone's eyes will go to that word. It's like a spotlight in theater. One actor on stage, one message in focus. The next one is the object. Human brain can only handle about 6 objects at once on one slide. And an object can be everything. A word, a message, an image, a chart, or a shape. If you go beyond 6, then it will get overwhelming. Imagine when you walk in a room with 6 objects, you notice them all at once immediately. But if you walk in the room with 20 items or objects, you can notice nothing. Slides are no different. Keep them on the 6 objects because your message will be clear. So here are the 5 rules that can avoid the death by PowerPoint. The first one message per slide. The second one, respect vocabularies. The third one, use size to show importance. Number 4, apply contrast to guide attention. The last one, keep 6 objects only of your. Follow them, then your slide can finally do what they're meant to do. Help your audience understand you instead of fighting against you. Thank you.